You hit send on an email campaign you're proud of, but when you check the performance results, the engagement is low. In this video, we're uncovering some of the invisible filters that stand between your emails and the people who need to see them. Email deliverability isn't only about what the reader sees in the subject line or in the from address. It's also about the content inside the email. Email service providers review content closely and make their own decisions about whether an email is something the recipient might want to or expect to receive. Let's identify some common content mistakes that can quietly push emails out of the inbox. One common mistake is assuming every email should look and feel the same. There are two types of emails that serve different purposes, and email providers are designed to recognize each. Non-marketing emails or transactional emails should be informational, service-focused, and straightforward, while marketing emails should be intentional, relevant, and clearly identified as promotional. When you mix promotional language into transactional emails, it can actually trigger inbox filtering. Long blocks of text, heavy formatting, and oversized images can also work against you. Most clients skim emails on their phones, and providers notice when messages are difficult to load or read. Remember these best practices. Keep paragraphs short and scannable. Use bullet points to break up information. Size images with mobile loading in mind. Excessive capitalization, multiple exclamation points, or common spam trigger phrases like free or win can increase the likelihood an email will be filtered, even when your intentions are good. This doesn't mean you can never use these words, just that you should be careful and intentional. EZLynx is here to help. With pre-built email campaign templates designed around these best practices, you can use them as is or make them your own. Either way, you are starting from a solid foundation. And for agencies with AI features enabled, Eva can help you craft meaningful and personalized messages from scratch. Great deliverability starts with thoughtful content. When your emails are clear, relevant, and easy to engage with, you are more likely to reach the inbox that you're intending and your customers.